Hi guys, Mitch Jackson, Jackson & Wilson, www.jacksonwilson.com. I'm on my way up to a dog bite deposition this morning, and it reminded me to share a couple of dog bite stories of cases that we've handled over the years concerning children and adults who are dog bite victims and dog attack victims. One case that comes to mind involved a gentleman who's a professional painter, and he came into my office about his dog bite, and he had been bitten 2 days earlier. He was concerned that it might keep him from being able to go to work. His hand was hurting quite severely. He wasn't sure what to do, so we had him come in. One of the nicest guys you're ever going to meet, and also one of the toughest guys you're ever going to meet. This guy takes off the white gauze to his hand, and literally half his hand was gone. This pit bull basically took this section right here and just bit it off. Unbelievable. This gentleman had not been to the emergency room. He had not seen a doctor. He didn't want to incur medical bills, and he needed help. So we got involved. Long story short, we were able to get his hand taken care of, all the medical bills taken care of, got him in front of some really, really good specialists, some really, really good plastic surgeons who were able to reconstruct his hand, and we were able to also pursue a claim against the owner of the dog, who originally had threatened this painter that if he pursued a claim against the owner of the dog through the dog owner's homeowner's insurance, that the owner of the dog would cancel his painting job and would make sure he didn't have any other business here in the town that we practice law in. So we got involved, talked to the owner, explained how severely injured our client was. Long story short, the owner actually turned around and started cooperating. We were able to make a claim under the owner's homeowner's insurance for the policy limits, which took care of all the past medical bills that our client incurred and all of the future medical bills our client was anticipating on incurring with additional scar revision surgery. It also compensated our client for all the pain and the suffering that he had gone through and was expected to go through for the remainder of his life. So that was a very gratifying case, because we were able to step in and basically right a wrong and make a difference. He's now been, he's one of my favorite clients, because this guy never asked for anything that he wasn't entitled to, and did what we asked him to do, and because of that, we were able to turn a really bad situation into a proper result, into a fair and amicable result, where this gentleman was properly compensated for his injuries and all of his medical bills were taken care of. And the owner of the dog, who had the home that our client was in the process of painting, was kind enough to understand and appreciate how severely injured our client was, because he really didn't know after the attack how badly injured our client was. And he allowed our client and his crew to finish the job, and has since referred additional business to this painter just because of how this painter was upfront and handled the case. So that means a lot to us. Well, I hope you found this particular video interesting. We sure did when we were handling the case, and give us a call if you have any questions about your dog bite or dog attack case. It's always our pleasure to answer any questions that we can to help out people that have been injured by dog bites or dog attacks. And you can find all of our contact information at our website at www.jacksonwilson.com. Have a great day, and remember to make today your masterpiece.